knock, knock. Guess the color, 1, 2, 3. Turn the key. Not yet. Open and see. What's that color? Shout with me. We'll guess the color, then count to 3. Not yet. Not yet. 3, 2, 1. Open. Knock, knock, knock. What's that color? Red. Are you sure? Yes. Not yet. 3, 2, 1. Open. It's a red cardinal. Flap, flap, little wings spread. Fly like a bird. Color is red. Knock, knock, knock. What's that color? Yellow. Bright like the sun. Hello. Not yet. 3, 2, 1. Open. It's a yellow duckling. King, clap. Waddle to the beat. Go side to side. Sunny steps. What a yellow ride. Knock, knock, knock. What's that color? Blue. Cool like the ocean. True. Not yet. 3, 2, 1. Open. Splash. It's a blue fish. Glub, glub. Swim, swim, bubbles in a crew. Arms make waves. Color is blue. Knock, knock, knock. What's that color? Green, leafy and bright. See? Not yet. 3, 2, 1. Open. Ribbit. It's a green frog. Hop, hop, hop on a forest log. Bounce to the rhythm. Go. Green frog. Knock, knock, knock. What's that color? Orange. Stripes or scales? Not yet. 3, 2, 1. Open. It's an orange tiger. Tiptoe prowl with a tiny growl. Orange stripes. Prowl, prowl, prowl. Which door had the cardinal? Red. Which door had the duckling? Yellow. Which door had the fish? Blue. Which door had the frog? Green. Which door had the tiger? Orange. Knock, knock, knock. Guess with me. Turn the key. 1, 2, 3. Red, yellow, blue. Green, orange, 2. Open the doors. Animals, woohoo! Flap like a bird. Waddle like a duck. Swim like a fish with a bubbly pluck. Hop like a frog. Tiger on the track. Color match magic. Shout it back. Great work, door detectives. Tell us your favorite color door and join Ollie Rex on the next adventure.